So solve for the missing side. So this is the bell ringer for 115. It says Tariq pays $22.10 for 2.6 pounds of salmon. What is the price per pound? Okay, we're looking for per pound. Anytime it says per ounce, per pound, we're looking for a unit rate. Unit rate means proportion. Okay, so if we do our first thing, I would write my words. So my words, known, unknown. So my words are cost over pounds, because that's what it tells us right here. It gives us a dollar sign and it says pounds. So important information is 22.10, 2.6 pounds, and we want per pound. So per pound means the price for one, okay? So cost per pound, so we would say 22.10 for 2.6 pounds. How much for one? There's our proportion, okay? That's what it should look like. We would cross multiply, and we would get 2.6x equals 22.10. Divide both sides by the 2.6, the cost per pound, the cost for 2.6 pounds, and we would get 22.10 divided by 2.6, okay? We just talked about that on the other document. We said outside, inside, up. 26 can't go into 2. It can't go into 22, but it can go into 221. And we're going to say 4, 8. I'm going to say 8. I'm going to go with 8 times. Is that too big? Or that might be too big. Okay, let's try 8 times. Okay, 8, 4, 20. Are y'all good with that? Okay, so I'm going to borrow here, and I'm going to get 11, 3, 1, and that's my remainder. So I'm going to drop down my 0. 26 will go into 130. Yes, ma'am. Okay, 5 times. So right here, it's going to even out. It's going to give us a 0. Okay, and it's going to be 8.5. Well, that is in the cost column, so it's going to be dollars and cents. So Matthew, please sit up. So it's going to be $8.50. So our answer choice is B. Okay. Tuesday, or I should have wrote it right here. Excuse me. Okay. This is from the last unit, guys. Okay. Which proportion must be true for these figures? We can shade all these figures. We can match up. So JKLM is similar to PQRS. This is from our last unit review question. JK is going to go with PQ. Okay. And then KL with QR. And then LM with RS. And JM with PS. Okay, so which proportion must be true for these figures? QR. QR is going to be blue. QP is going to be red. JK is going to be red. So we're already off on that one, right? So we're saying no to that one. And we're looking for the true. QR is green. No. QR is blue. KL is blue. So I'm going to make a note here that it's going to be right over left. RS is going to be green. And JK is going to be red. Will that work? No. Okay, QR is blue. MJ, yellow. QR is blue. Okay, but note what happened here. It went from this triangle to this triangle and in a different color. Does that work? No. That's automatically not going to work. So let's go here. Hopefully this is it. QR is blue. KL is blue. And this went from right to left. PS or PS is yellow. JM is yellow, and it went from right to left. So that's our answer choice. So number 2 is J. Okay. Number 3. Okay, we talked about this the very first day, and it's just a question, and I know it's confusing because it says which list, okay, but underneath it I put list all the possible outcomes. Okay, if I have a coin, how many options do I have? I have heads and tails. If I have a number cube, I have 1 through 6, okay? So all my possible combinations are going to be heads 1. Oops, sorry, I wrote that wrong. Okay, let's go again. Heads 1, heads 2, heads 3, heads 4. Man, I'm having a hard time writing. Okay, heads 4, heads 5, and heads 6, okay? Now, my other options are going to be tails 1, tails 2, tails 3, tails 4, tails 5, and tails 6. Why?
Greater than 4.
Okay, so those are all it says list all the possible combinations though. So I'm listing all the possible combinations. So now what's greater than 4?
5 and 6.
Okay, so heads 5, tails 5, heads 6, tails 6. Okay? Okay? So these are the combinations I need, but those are all the possible combinations. Does that make sense? Okay.
Wait,
Thirst.
so you didn't write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's fine, as long as you got this answer, but I wanted you to understand. It says list, when it says list, then, but I wanted to pull those out, okay? So Thursday, 20.585. Just for time's sake, and I'm running out of time, I'm going to do some of this on my calculator, because the bell's going to ring in 1 minute. 20.585 divided by 2.3. We should have got 8.95. You still have to grade it, guys. We're still grading. Okay, and then your 0.01525 divided by 2.5. Y'all just wait, because I got to have your grades too. And then 5.2 divided by 0.4. It is recording, Colson. Is 13. So you should be there. And then 15.623 times 8.2. Negative 128.1086.
I only got 128.10.
It's wrong because I didn't say to drop it down. Okay, 17.8178 times 2.6. Negative 46.32628. 14.25 times 15.8. It's a negative times a negative, which is a positive. So it's 225.15. And then 1.375 times 8. 1.375 times 8.26 is 11.3575. Okay,